Welcome friends on Train for SSB. I am Group Captain Rajesh Pandey, a former SSR and a trainer. Now, as you are aware, on this particular channel, YouTube channel, we are trying to give a lot of contents that is of help to defense aspirants. Now, जो मेरा एक बहुत लंबा अरसे से जो SSB में मेरा एक अनुभव रहा है, the experience I've had of interviewing thousands of candidates at the SSB. So one thing that clearly emerges is that there is a lot of gap or a lot of hesitation on the part of the candidates to express themselves fully. Now, अब ये किसी कैंडिडेट्स में प्रॉब्लम होती है कि वो अपने को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं. ज़्यादातर प्रॉब्लम यही आती है कि अपने को इंग्लिश में एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं, या इंग्लिश आती भी है तभी भी शायद उनका कंटेंट ठीक नहीं है. So when you're talking about your own self, you are not able to speak in converse in English. When you're talking about current affairs, perhaps the knowledge of current affairs is somewhat lacking. When you talk about your professional subjects, so अगर आपने let us say BTech engineering किया है और you have done it in electronics and communication. So electronics and communication के बारे में obviously there are going to be questions asked of you. और कई students जो हैं, candidates जो हैं, they are unable to bring out those topics जो उनकी एक जो depth of knowledge है, that is somewhere found wanting. Simultaneously, we also have cases जहाँ पे candidates को दिक्कत होती है अपने बारे में बताने का, किस तरह के उन्होंने गेम्स स्पोर्ट्स खेले हैं, हॉबीज, इंटरेस्ट. These are very important aspects of your life. So हॉबीज और इंटरेस्ट में क्या हॉबीज हो सकती है. So इसके लिए भी हमने एक I have prepared a series of lessons जिसमें हम every Monday, Wednesday and Friday we're going to cover topics which are of interest as far as the current affairs are concerned, right? उसके बाद में on Tuesdays we are going to have topics which will focus on the professional knowledge. Suppose, like I said, you are BTech in electronics and communication, or you are in computer science, or you are in programming. So on one day, there will be a topic in which some candidate is going to speak on, give us sort of a presentation or give a video on coding, right? It can be on 4G, it can be on 5G, it can be on the materials, etc. etc. So जो प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज है उसको हम आपके सामने लेके आएंगे, एंड द कंटेंट will be made by the aspirants themselves, right? Now we have a editorial panel which will select the content that is to be podcasted, right? जिसको हम इस चैनल में शेयर करेंगे, और ये कंटेंट आप लोगों के ही द्वारा बनाया गया है. This is all your candidates who have who are applying for various SSBs. The content has been made by them, and we also urge or encourage anybody who wishes to practice, who wishes to send his content, and we will select that, we will filter that out, and then the selected content would be podcasted on our channel. So this is a very golden opportunity, I would say, for all the aspirants who want to gain confidence. Now एक चीज़ मैं यहाँ पे और बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये कोई हम subject matter experts की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. Now here we are in the process of learning. So it is not that something that is being said here is the ultimate truth. These may not be perfect, but yes, they will definitely be informative. The content which has been given will definitely be informative. This may not be perfect, or the aim, like I said, aim is also to give confidence and practice to the aspirants. So there will be videos, there will be podcasts जो आपको लगेगा कि it is not perfect, it is not very professionally done, and that is indeed what is the aim of this channel. हम इसमें आपको मौका दे रहे हैं कि आप प्रैक्टिस करो और धीरे धीरे आप उसमें इम्प्रूव करोगे. Now in between what I'm going to also do is we are going to interject, किसी जैसे आप कंटेंट्स आप इसमें डाल रहे हैं, सो किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक को हम फिर डाइसेक्ट करेंगे, उसको एनालाइज करेंगे और उसमें हम कोशिश ये करेंगे कि सुझाव दें, आपको सजेशन दें कि आप इसको किस तरह से बेहतर प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी over the next couple of weeks, right? Couple of weeks, and let us say it could be couple of months as well, right? So